Iowa is a great place to raise cattle, thanks to favorable weather, abundant natural resources, and close proximity to a variety of feed sources, including corn and distiller's grain. Jeff Longnecker raises cattle near Ames. He takes pride in caring for the environment and well-being of his animals. Recently, the fourth-generation farmer moved his cattle from an outdoor feedlot to an indoor building designed by Accu-Steel of Templeton, Iowa.
I think if you're going to feed cattle in Iowa, you need to have them under roof. The runoff factor involved, the efficiency of the structure, just general overall performance of the cattle has been very, very pleasing.
Accu-Steel buildings are quickly becoming the preferred choice among cattle farmers. Jason Owen, the company's owner and founder, interviewed nearly 24 farmers before constructing the first Accu-Steel building in 2004. He and his team of more than 20 employees manufacture structures specifically designed for cattle. Accu-Steel puts a premium on offering a quality product that reduces bedding needs, decreases labor requirements, and improves animal productivity.
A lot of the buildings look similar at 100 yards. We use better materials in our buildings. We use a better cover system. We have a better way to protect our steel. The buildings are designed for cattle operations. We have a structure that allows, instead of you working for your cattle, we have a structure that lets your cattle work for you. It's a building that will keep your cattle cool in the summertime, dry year-round, and it's a building that you can make money with. And that's one of our, if our customers aren't successful, we're not successful at Accu-Steel. We want to build a building that's just not for you, but it's for the next generation to use.
Both Jeff and Jason are excited about the future of raising cattle in Iowa and the role Accu-Steel can play in helping farmers and communities share in that success.
As far as cattle feeding in Iowa and the upper Midwest, I believe it's going to come back here. The byproducts are here. There's about an endless supply of those right now. But I think the cattle that are going to be fed is going to be under roof. I look for that. The efficiency factor involved, the runoff factor involved. I just don't see open lots happening anymore. I really believe everything will pretty much either be under a roof in a hoop or a monoslope.
Well, we're excited about the future of feeding cattle in Iowa. I mean, we've got the grain. And as you listen to people a lot smarter than me talk, as the energy prices go up, the least we have to move those commodities, the more opportunity there is for profit at the end of the day. And Iowa's where we grow the grain. And we've got a lot of the co-products or byproducts that come out of the ethanol plants. We've got an opportunity to really bring Iowa back to be a real powerhouse in the cattle industry. And this is a great way to bring a person back onto the farm. There isn't always going to be an 80 right across the road that's going to come for sale. This is an opportunity to bring somebody back onto the farm that maybe wasn't going to have that chance. And those are the kind of long-term opportunities. We build a building. We like to say around here, we build a building that's worth recovering. We want to have a building that, in 20 years, when you do have to put a new fabric on that building, you can put the latest, greatest fabric on it, and the steel structure will still be worth owning. And that's the kind of product we build. We build something for the long term. We're not thinking in decades, we're thinking in generations. And that's really the kind of company that we try to be, and that's the kind of products and that's the kind of service we can give our customers.